Hey, what's up, fam? My name is Brehon, and I'd like to welcome you guys back to the channel. We love to focus on our financial personal development. Family, I hope you guys are having a phenomenal start to your day, and I hope your week has been amazing. Now, family, yesterday was another great trading session. I hope you guys had some wins yesterday, and I hope you guys have had some profitable days this week. I know I have, and thanks to Jerome Power Good News, or the possibility or the potential of some good news, we were able to profit greatly from the highs and the lows of the stock market. And remember, the stock market is a roller coaster, right? It's a roller coaster of highs and lows. And if we are capable of riding or enjoying the rides, we can find a way to profit from the rides also. Now, um, so we had some a great boost up yesterday, and so I the day before yesterday we had a tremendous increase, and so I was hoping that we were gonna continue that upward trajectory, but I also know what goes up must come down, and what comes down must go up, and so I was positioning myself, waiting for the opportunity to place another call option or a put option, and I'm going to get to how I made or why I made my trades. And let me see here. Oh, also, I'd like to thank you guys, man. So, I do have a link in the description where I do sell, some financial t-shirts, man. They're sold on Amazon, shipped to you in a couple of days. I appreciate all you guys for buying and investing in some of the things I like to sell, okay? All right, so again, I made 30% on one trade, and I had a put option out there yesterday. I made some money, and then I came back with a call option, and I profited 16% from there. So I quickly sold and took my profits. Okay. So I had another successful, another positive day for me. Now, family, what I love to do is when it comes to intraday trading, swing trading, um, options trading, I always love to follow that 20 SMA. Now, if you know, like I know, nothing moves too far away from that 20 SMA. We always bounce back like a rubber band. The previous couple of days, we had nice upward movement. And the start of yesterday, we had a small gap up, right? We had a small gap up. And then we began to hit a ceiling, right? Or some resistance. And so when I was paying attention to the resistance, I was looking at the 20 SMA, and I know nothing falls too far away from the 20. And I also was paying attention to the MACD. And so as soon as we began to retrace back to that 20 SMA, I was waiting for the first candle that opens and closes before that below that 20 SMA. All right, so we had one huge candle that came down to the 20 SMA, broke through it. Then the candle beside that was a green candle, right? And I was waiting for the following candle. I was hoping that the following candle would be opening and closing below that 20 SMA. And so it did that. I took that as an opportunity to jump in and place a put option. And I rode the put option all the way, not all the way down, but I would say halfway down into the first green candle. Now, if I would have held on, I would have made a lot more money. But again, you can never go wrong with taking a profit. You can never go wrong with taking a profit. So I took my profit and I waited for another opportunity to possibly get back in. Now, if I wouldn't have placed another trade, I would have been just fine. But the way the market had sold off, I knew we were going to have a slight bounce back, right? And so I began to watch these candles towards the downtrend, and we were getting a lot of dragonfly doji candles. We had a hammer candle, and the hammer candle at the bottom of a downtrend could signal a reversal in pattern. But we need the following candle to be trading above or closing above that hammer candle, and we had that. I jumped in, placed a short call option, and I rode it back up to the 20 SMA, and I sold, took my profit, 16% profit, and I won, right? I won. So that was another profitable day. Now, family, uh, let's pay attention to Friday. Okay, we had a huge gap up. Remember, we had a huge gap up this week. All right. Now, Friday could be a day where we have more profit taken. Okay, so we could have some profit taken there, and you don't want to go chasing. I talked about this a couple of days ago. We don't chase stocks, we don't chase plays when they are up tremendously because what can happen? We can get left holding the bag. And you don't want to get left holding the bag and you losing 10, 15, 20% of your play. All right. So at the open, we will continue to monitor, right? We will continue to monitor how the market reacts the first 30 minutes. Are we going to get back up to 409 or 410? Because it appears that 409, 410 could be some resistance. So if we do get back up to 409 or 410, possibly we could come back down again. That'll give us an opportunity to place another put option. Or if we go back down to 405, let's wait to see what happens. If will it stay around 405 or will it break through the support and fall to 404 or even 400? Okay, so Friday is a day where profit taking is highly likely. So let's be careful and let's be ready to jump in when the opportunity presents itself. All right, family. Hope you guys have had a phenomenal day. Have a great weekend. If you like the information, hey, hit that like, subscribe button, and keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.